What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we go. We're going to transform the looks of my 2019 twin turbo Mustang GT. I've been holding on to this idea for a long time and really wanting to do like a full wrap to my car. That's not going to happen today, but what is going to happen is part of it. We're going to completely transform the way the car looks. I'm very excited. We are here at Wraps. He's been climbing up in the world, making a name for himself. He's in there working on the car right now. Guys, I am so excited to change the looks of this car, but here we go. Let's dive into the video. Okay, here we go, guys. This is it. Been waiting a long time for this. Tons and tons and tons of modifications under this car. Twin turbo kit, cosmetic here and there, but this is something I've been holding off for a while. Just wanted to get the car together, but guys, this is gonna look so sick. The vinyl that we're gonna do to this. Guys, we're in Bowling Green, Wraps. Go check them out. Hit them up on Instagram. I'll link everything in the video and also in the description as always. We had to go pick up one of these. We're making progress, but this is what's left over. So these were from Big Worms Graphics, what we had before. Great product. Yeah, the adhesive from that stuff is so bad. You know, laid down pretty easily. I mean, it wasn't even like on the car that long. I mean, great product. Our little fancy schmancy. There we go. So not a whole lot to see because they're low mounted. So in a sense, it's a sleeper kit. But the whole turbo kit is it's from Hellhorse Performance and is capable of 1500 wheel. Now the other cool thing about this turbo kit too, it's not cooled by oil, so it uses the coolant to actually cool down the turbos. Kind of neat. That is neat. It makes the installation an absolute breeze. They sound so good when they spool up too. It's working. You want to see something cool? I'll show you something neat. So this the same components, seat delete. It's got these push locks. So we push, and then we get the click. Oh, I can't get back here. It all drops out like this, and then you can just easily remove it out of the car. And you got one bolt back here, and this whole thing comes out. That way, if you need to put like, because when we go to like Dallas here soon to race, we can put the slicks back here. Awesome. Yeah, it's awesome. I couldn't do it. Wow, I'm surprised you could. Since I fit. Guys, look at the job he did. You guys saw it before, but look at the roof now. I mean, you can barely tell. That eraser wheel really doesn't work. Okay, so that just pops down.
Yeah, that is a magnet that holds this on up here.
Oh, that's easy. Good job, Ford. So what he's doing is he's got to remove the antenna right there. Essentially what we're doing today is Avery gloss black roof. We're also doing the side mirrors, and if you keep watching throughout the video, we got another secret. More vinyl is going to go in this car somewhere. You just got to keep watching and find out. Yeah, we can take a couple of things apart, but man, it's going to look so good. So good. So excited. I've been waiting for this day for a long time. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I thought it'd be a good idea to have some fixed back race seats. I didn't think about this. They're not too bad for, like, you know, it was about an hour trip up here. Honestly, about 30 minutes into it, I was like, why did I do this? That's it. I'm so excited to see the finished product. This is going to be so sick. Is a Mustang the most common? Yeah. #1 selling sports car in America. I heard that the mirrors are absolutely just terrible. It'll stretch more? Okay.
All I'm doing is glassing this, so it looks like it's already done.
Yeah, this is totally new for me because I do like everything on the car You know, me and like 1 or 2 other people have had our hand on it. Do we just all DIY stuff? But something like this, because I've laid stickers before and it just never came out well. So I was like, definitely need a professional for this job. And you're gonna make it definitely look super easy, I'm sure. That's okay. We are here to learn. With Avery, what's the I guess the life expectancy out of this?
6 years.
Wow. Okay.
Soapy water.
Okay.
Cut down on any scratching so I don't have to heat them out.
Okay. So yeah, we got the gloss black we put in the back in the grill. Something else coming for this, but carbon black. Got to do the mirrors. Carbon spoiler. Oh, this looks so good. Such a small little thing. We're only about halfway. We're not even halfway done yet. Definitely, absolutely, 100% come check out Wraps. Again, everything linked in the description. I feel like this is, you're like my new tattoo artist. You know, you find that one artist and you like never, depart away from that. You know, if they do a good job, you stay with them. Or maybe like a barber. Basically, you're my new barber. I need a haircut anyway. It comes off on camera. So there's the scratches. This is the untouched side, but you can see all that just from the installation. When we come over to the other side, he's been removing them, and this is pretty much, this is iPhone video, so bear with me, but I mean, you can see that there's nothing, and to the eye it's like glass. Okay. Just like that. Easy enough. Well, guys, we broke the car. We broke the car. There's my intro. It's broken. No, because every video I've seen, they wrap it like on the, on the car.
Right on that edge.
And this way, you won't be able to see that.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh no.
You're on that one.
It's crazy how, wrinkled and then it's smooth. That's so cool. Right, we have one of the mirrors done. This is starting to come together. Look at that. Basic things that most guys do this stuff. Black mirrors, black roof, maybe or maybe not an aftermarket hood. Definitely everybody's doing a spoiler of some kind. Wheels, we got to do that. But guys, this is fire. This looks so good, especially with the carbon. I mean, perfect. Just the little things.
Even this mirror, I mean, you can tell a big difference.
Yeah, this side, and then you come around over here. Just changing up that mirror. Same roof. That looks killer. We won't do the handles. Would you? I don't think it needs it. Yeah, I think it would be too much. Right. Well, we could talk about that for future content. Because that was the original plan. And then, but either way, even if we did that, I was still going to do black roof, black mirrors. So we're already one step ahead of the game. But I just like the color red so much, guys. I hate that it's so filthy. It's just nasty. Oh, why can't it be sunny? Why can't the sun come out? You know what I mean? Yeah, I totally thefted this whole idea from my buddy that drives that 350R. Serpent Things is his YouTube channel. Yeah. Because, I mean, he's got Anderson hood, spoiler. He's got a big spoiler. One of the big, because he tracks his car. Yeah. But, I mean, it's a race red car. And with the black roof. And they come with black mirrors. Yeah. But every time I look at his car, I'm just like, oh my gosh, it looks so good. And now we have that. I'm officially a thief. Yeah, let's watch you do this again. I would totally rip that thing off of the car. So it wasn't just me fighting with that thing. No. Yeah, I'm going to continue filming. So when it snaps in half, that's my intro. There it is. That sounds super healthy coming out. I'm over here like, oh, please, no. Perfect. That's the look. That looks good. That looks good. We were going to leave a little surprise for the end of the video. So we were going to do something with the front. But there is something else I have showing up in the mail tomorrow. So it won't be in this video. But what we were going to do is take this lower section, do it gloss black as well. But with the other little pieces that are coming for this front end, I think that it's going to be too much. And I think that what we've got going on right now is a good start. So black roof, black mirrors, carbon hood and spoiler with the other little black subtleties here and there. We got red, black, basically. Red, black, and carbon. This car is looking fire. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's pretty much the video. So what we're going to do is go outside, view from the distance, because it's kind of hard to capture how good this looks when you're just like up close and personal like this. So let's go. Yeah, no, I think what you're talking about is, so on this it would just come down. Planning for the future. You guys pay attention to the channel. Something might change here in the future, I don't know, but this is it. This looks so good. There she is, all done. Such a little thing, couple little things, but really change the way the car looks. I love it. Yeah, I think if we did the black down there, it especially with what's coming in the mail tomorrow, those things I told you about, it would have been too much. I mean, but that's the cool thing about wrap. You know, if we ever decide to later on, and if it doesn't look good, we can just take it right off. Take it right off. Let me back up here, get this good glory shot. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. It's been awesome. Hopefully I can get send you some business. So everybody look him up. Again, like third time I've said this. I think all details are listed down below. He doesn't have a sign yet because he just moved into the shop. So busy's a good thing. Busy's a good thing. Now we gotta find some wheels for this and give this thing a bath. You made it look super easy. You did. But no, it looks so good. All right, guys, that's the video. This thing is really coming together. Please stay tuned to the channel for tons more content to come. Race car stuff is coming up soon. The racetracks are going to be opening up at the end of the month. Get ready, and we're going to see what 800 horsepower does on the track. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.